In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for HR, whether you're managing recruitment, onboarding, or employee performance. If you want to organize your entire HR process in one clean visual workspace, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to set it up properly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to create a dedicated HR workspace. Open Monday.com and look at the left sidebar. Click on Add Workspace. Name this workspace HR or Human Resources, depending on your preference. This workspace will act as the central hub for all your HR activities. Once it's created, add folders inside the workspace to keep everything organized. For example, create folders named Recruitment, Onboarding, Employee Records, and Performance Management. This structure ensures that as your company grows, your HR system remains clean and easy to navigate. Next, let's set up your recruitment and hiring management system. Go into your HR workspace and click Add, then select New Board. Name this board Recruitment Pipeline. Choose Main if it's for internal HR use or Shareable if you'll be collaborating with hiring managers outside your core HR team. Once the board is created, start customizing your columns. Add a column for Interviewee using the Name column type. Then add Interview Stage using a Status column so you can track stages like Applied, Screening, Interview, Offer, and Hired. Add an Interview Date column using the Date type. Include Offer Salary using a Numbers column. Add Recruiter using a Person column to assign responsibility. You can also add Experience, Position Applied, and Priority columns to fully track each candidate. Now you have a visual recruitment pipeline that shows exactly where every candidate stands. Now let's move on to employee onboarding. Inside your HR workspace, add a new board called Employee Onboarding. This board will help you standardize the onboarding process so nothing gets missed. Create groups within the board to organize tasks. You can either create a group for each new employee or structure it by onboarding phases, such as pre-hire, week 1, and week 2. Then add the necessary columns. Include a status column with labels like Not Started, In Progress, and Done. Add a Due Date column to track deadlines. Use a Person column to assign tasks to managers or team leads. Add a Files column to collect important documents like contracts, ID proofs, or policy acknowledgements. Finally, include a Department column to categorize employees by team. This setup ensures every new hire goes through a consistent and trackable onboarding journey. Now let's talk about performance management. Create another board inside your HR workspace called Performance Review. This board will help you manage employee evaluations efficiently. Add a review cycle column with options like Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Include a Person column for the reviewer so accountability is clear. Add a Score column using either numbers or a dropdown, depending on your evaluation system. Include a Status column with labels such as Not Started, Submitted, and Reviewed. Finally, add a Files column so managers can upload review documents or feedback forms. With this board in place, you'll have a structured and transparent performance tracking system. And that's it. You've now set up a complete HR management system inside Monday.com, covering recruitment, onboarding, and performance reviews. With the right structure in place, your HR processes become more organized, collaborative, and scalable. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.